Hi everybody, this is Con. So just refilled the Proton Persona, and so previous tank I clocked about 266 kilometers and used up 27.4 liters, so that translates to a bit more than 10 liters per 100 kilometer. Thereabouts the same of my Waja actually. But I have to point out one thing. In recent months, because I switched this car from fully synthetic engine oil to semi-synthetic engine oil, I noticed an increase in fuel consumption. So previously, last time, right, I was managing figures of about 8.5 to 9 liters per 100 kilometer easy, but in more recent times, the number seems to have jumped a bit higher to thereabout, closer to 10, sometimes even more. So I'm thinking maybe my next service I'm going to pay a bit more and go back to fully synthetic. So either way, right, whatever, like 8.5 or 9 liters per 100 kilometer, the Persona has a 40 traffic light. Okay, so according to the owner's manual, the Persona has a 40 liter fuel tank. So if you talk about 8.5 liters per 100 kilometer as I used to clock, so if 8.5 liters per 100 kilometer, right, you're talking from a 40 liter tank, you're talking at a range of about 470 kilometers, and like right now what I'm currently doing, just over 10 liters per 100 kilometer, you are unlikely to even pass 400 kilometers. So Proton recently announced their one tank challenge, which they invite owners of the current generation models, the Saga VVT, the Iriz 1.3. They are very specific in mentioning the Iriz 1.3, and as well as this generation of the Persona, and they're opening it all to the CVT models only lah. Okay, their event, their one tank challenge event, it invites owners to try and hit 600 kilometers per tank. 600 kilometers in one tank. In my 2 years of owning this car, I have never even gotten 500 kilometers per tank. So 600? I'm a bit doubtful, but I figure there is nothing to lose by giving it a try. Maybe there's something about this car that I don't know, right? So apparently I spoke to Proton people, and their event crew did a bit of a recce, and they actually managed to hit 600 kilometers per tank in one of their cars. So there's no, I've thrown my hat into the competition, and yeah, so I'll be participating in the one tank adventure. So how do you participate? All you have to do is the mechanics I'm describing in more detail in the description section. Basically, you just have to post a picture of you and your car on Facebook or Instagram, then tag Proton, put some list of hashtags there, and say I want to participate, and that's it. Okay. I even posted a sample Facebook post on Horizon's official Facebook. Do check that out. Just copy paste that, and put your own picture there. Put cukup ready. Alright, so yeah, so I'll be there. Bobby and Bing also will be participating as well. I will be bringing my own car. Okay, since I already have my own car, so I'll be bringing my own car, and yeah. So any of you with the Saga, with the Iriz, with the Persona, do give it a try. Join the event, and yeah, see whether your car can really hit 600 kilometers per tank. No harm if you don't, but it would be great if you do. Okay, because I will say one thing. This new generation of VVT engines from Proton, they really are more fuel efficient than their predecessors. Because previously, when this car was running on fully synthetic engine oil, right, it was consistently more economical than my Waja, which, mind you, has a manual transmission. And you know, we always say, oh, a manual should be more economical, right? Not in this case. And also, this car, now this new VVT engine happily runs on RON 95 petrol, whereas my old Waja, maybe because of due to carbon buildup in the engine, it is knocking on 95, so I've been having to fuel the car on 97 for some time. So overall, in terms of running costs, this new Persona has proven to be significantly more economical than my Waja, despite you know, displacing the same 1.6 liters in its engine. Okay, so any of you with the Saga, Iriz, Persona, go ahead, try your luck, join the Proton 1 Tank Challenge and see what you can get. Okay, until my next video, thanks for watching, bye for now.